Welcome back to another video of Python web automation. I have already done 4 to 5 complete videos on Python web automation, and you will find the link of that playlist in the description of this video right now. To learn process automation using Python, please subscribe to the channel. So if you like the content of this video, please hit the like button. That will definitely help me. Share your feedback in comment. That will also help my channel. So I will just go to the Python code editor. How to switch to the iframe. So if you are not aware of iframes, so iframe is a section, a JavaScript section inside pages. Okay, and whenever you do the automation and you want to access the element, you have to go inside that iframe. We are going to see the example. So first of all, in Selenium or into anything, we have to switch to the iframe. Then only we can perform any automation action. Okay, we are going to talk more about this in this video. And then second, we will see that how to handle pop-ups. So whenever you do the automation, you will face many pop-ups are coming in between, and then you have to sometime get the text out of them. Sometime you have to just click. So in this video, we are targeting only click, and there is another video for getting the text out of pop-ups. So this part I have already explained in the video number 6, the one which you have the link in the description. And I have already imported these required libraries so that we can save time on basics. So we don't invest much time on the basic things. Okay. So for explanation, what we are going to do is we are going to utilize this URL try alert. You can see the URL here, and you can find the same in the you will find same in the script also. And then we will click. So these are the iframes. So I'll right click on this, and then if you will search, remember that you will not have to search here. You have to click inside this HTML, Control F. Once you will do Control F, you will get this kind of one more text box. So you can just type iframe here. So you will see this is moving. This is a different iframe. What we have to do that we have to take the ID. We have to switch to this iframe. So first of all, we will require the ID. Okay, so our button is inside this iframe. The element type should be iframe. Okay, you should not go to the id. So here if you see, the id is iframe, it's not the element. But here if you see, this is the element which is iframe. Hope you understood the difference. Now we will require this name, iframe results. Okay, let's go to code. First of all, we have to get the url. So we have the url here, and I am trying to open the url in this line number 14. We will wait for the iframe to load. And once it is loaded, then only we will click. I have explained WebDriver wait into previous video also. And then we will give the driver name. So here we are waiting for 30 seconds. Once it will be available, then immediately we will use this function to switch to the available iframe. Okay, if it is not available, it will definitely throw an error, but that is a separate topic. So now we are switching in the iframe here. After switching the iframe, what we have to do, we have to click on the try button here. I'll just close this HTML. We have to click on this try button, and once we will click the try button, we will be able to see the alert, JavaScript alert. All right, let's come a little bit down. So I will be using little bit wait so that you can see the alert appearing properly. And I also recommend that you should use some wait to give some time to load the element. Okay, so I will take, so my driver variable is my driver dot switch to dot alert. Okay, so once we have switched on to alert, now you can accept the alert. So clicking on JavaScript pop-up here is like when you will accept it, it will automatically gone. Okay. So now let's run this. So now let's close this browser first of all and run this code. I hope you can see the code on your screen right now. So it has opened. It will, until this is going on, Selenium will not perform any action or WebDriver will not perform any action. After loading is completed, then only WebDriver will start performing actions. So you see that we have seen this and it is accepted also. Code is also exit successfully. So this is how you handle JavaScript pop-up in Selenium and in your automation projects. So if you want to learn more on Python automation or UiPath RPA automation, please subscribe to the channel. We will have more and more videos coming in for process automation. Hope this video was useful for you. Please write your feedback in the comment. Your like will definitely help my channel to grow. And thank you very much for your time.